For more than 30 years, Space Camp has mined, captured, and released the potential of young people from around the globe. Students and educators from more than 60 countries have attended programs at the U.S. Space and Rocket Center in Huntsville, Alabama, home base for Space Camp, an official NASA visitor center, Smithsonian affiliate, and host to one of the world's largest collections of space history and artifacts. The Space and Rocket Center is a unique environment suited to launch life-changing learning. Here, those attending Space Camp Robotics, and Aviation Challenge discover potential that traverses from what if to can do. Beginning with orientation, Space Camp trainees meet their teammates and are immersed in their mission, principles of leadership, and decision-making that are inherent to achieving mission objectives. In addition to the surrounding environment of the Space and Rocket Center, this immersive experience requires special camp facilities designed to accommodate high standards for the health and security of camp trainees. Security and medical personnel provide round-the-clock services. The dining hall, or crew galley, meets dietary needs and addresses dietary restrictions to ensure that each trainee has a positive experience. Camp counselors, called crew trainers, are available at all times. Many of these men and women are university students or recent graduates who aspire to work in science and high technology fields. Crew trainers undergo extensive instruction spanning the operation of Space Camp's astronaut training simulators to daily contingency and emergency procedure. Trainees have diverse backgrounds and interests, and that means communication and problem-solving skills are sharpened throughout multiple-day resident camp experiences. Astronaut training exercises patterned after actual simulations used in manned spaceflight programs inspire dreams of what's next in pushing the space frontier. Space Camp's unique simulators, such as the 5 Degrees of Freedom, Multi-Axis, and 1/6 Gravity Chair, are integral to each team's mission and help launch trainees to space station and sharp realizations of requirements of life beyond Earth's atmosphere. Advanced programs incorporate microgravity exercises in the underwater astronaut trainer. The buoyancy of water invokes a sense of weightlessness, as well as offers the challenge of manipulating tools and equipment while wearing life-protecting suits. Interactions between land-based work and space-side personnel determine mission success or failure. Aviation Challenge finds trainees in land-based fighter pilot simulations. The Centrifuge is among unique simulators for this program. Its use to prepare pilots has a long history, and trainees will experience up to 3 Gs, or 3 times the force of Earth's gravity. Water survival training is part of both Aviation Challenge and Space Camp. Water, land, and sky provide the environments for Space Camp Robotics, where trainees learn and apply principles in robotics design and engineering. All trainees build expectations while building new understanding of teamwork and leadership. Space Camp, Aviation Challenge, Space Camp Robotics, releasing potential, fueling the future.